Now that we have our background in place, we can go ahead and get started with the coding, where we're going to have the sprite ask us a random unit circle angle that we'll go ahead and eventually find a trig value of. In order to get a randomized unit circle angle, it's not really going to work well to use the pick random number, just because we're not just looking at 1 through 10 angles or anything like that, where all the angles are a certain number away. You get 0 degrees, then 30, and then 45. So it's going to be kind of hard to correlate the randomized numbers with the numbers on the unit circle. So I think using lists is going to be really helpful. So I have a list of angle options that we can randomly pick. So I made a list called angle options, and I put in the angles from the unit circle, 0, 30, 45, all the way up to 330 here. So what the sprite's going to do, and we can see that here in this line of code, is it's going to tell us that our angle is, and then we're going to pick item random. So it's going to randomly pick one of those angles in the angle option list. Okay. After we pick it, we need to go ahead and store it so it knows which angle we're playing with, so we can use the answer later on in the rest of the coding to draw it, to find the sine, cosine, and tangent of it, etc. So you need another list, and it's almost going to be like a temporary list where we just put the answer in. After we type it in, it holds on to it, and then we can see that when we start the green flag again, it'll delete all those angles. So anytime there's really only one angle in that separate list, and I just call that one angles. Okay, so angle options has all the possible angle lists from the unit circle that it's going to randomly pick from. Then after you it picks it and tells you which one, you're going to type it in, and it'll store that answer into the angles list. Okay, and then at the start of the program, it'll delete it again.